what will you do, Manya? Spread what?
Yes, ketchup.
Ketchup. Now you are spreading pizza topping. This pizza topping you have taken. Wow. Spread it. Now, some cheese. Okay. Wow. Okay. So you have grated cheese. Now you will add vegetables. Okay. Add. Okay. Add them fast. A little more. Little more. Add few green chilies. Few green chilies. Add. We'll do it later on. Okay. Green chilies, Manya. Yes. Add few green chilies. Okay. Now grate some more cheese on it. Grate some more cheese. Is the grating done?
Yes.
Okay. Now add coriander. A bit of coriander. Yes. Now black pepper powder. Crush it. Yes. Upside down. Crush it. Crush it. Yes. Crush it.
It's ready.
This is done. And now a little bit of salt. Now a little bit of salt. What, Manya? Now, is it ready to go in oven?
Yes.
Okay.